Sandesh Kadam, Jahnavi Kadam's father. I have enrolled Jahnavi this year only to Sarvankash, and actually I'm very pleased with the outcome or the results I'm seeing right now, the improvement, kind of improvement I'm seeing. In this testing times of COVID, the way Sarvankash is carrying out your online classes, and particularly you are giving particular attention to each and every student, which is a Herculean task while carrying out the online classes itself. It's impressive. Means you have nailed it how to keep the kids engaged and get them improvement from them. Also, the idea of Sarvankash to develop the kid from all around angle, it's very nice. Different projects, for example, robotics. Uh, it's Janavi was telling me, the kind of practice means you're gonna implementation, how the sirs are incorporating yourself and getting them to know how the techniques, the codecs, and they're so much eager now. It's like it's the best way. It's a splendid way to introduce the kids to the technology and prepare them for their future. I thank you from bottom of my heart for all the staff of Sarvankash for their dedication and their efforts. Thank you. Best of luck.
Hello everyone. My daughter Riya is studying in grade 4 at Sarvankash Vidya Mandir, Ratnagiri. I am very pleased of the fact that my daughter's future is secure at SVM. SVM's culture and ecosystem is equipped to make a learner ready to face the challenges of the 21st century in India as well as abroad. At SVM, the focus is on academic excellence along with co-curricular activities in order to provide holistic learning to the child. Riya is looking forward to learn Spanish at SVM along with robotics later in grade 6. Overall, I am happy that my child is studying in the number one CBSE school in Ratnagiri, that is SVM.
Hi everyone. I have my three kids studying in this school, Sarvankash Vidya Mandir. They are from grade 5, 6 and 7. Believe me, the world has not changed even a bit for my kids at SVM. Ranging from doing the virtual assemblies to getting into investitures, heading the sashes and badges of school monitors and also school prefects, from there on to having the tedious subject sessions. At SVM, everything has happened. Not a single subject, including the co-curriculars, has been missed out. They also do actively into the clubs which have been provided to them. And how can I forget the activities that are going on. My kids are placed to take part in various inter-school competitions. Moreover, when I got to hear that the school has got its own CBSE affiliation now, kudos to SVM. At the same time, the upcoming robotic lab has opened to new arenas of understanding and science tech to my boys and my little daughter. What a fab place to get your kids into. I am completely happy. What more can I ask for as parent? Get yours as well.
Hi all, my name is Abhijit Kadam. I am a lawyer by profession. My son Priyansh is in grade 1 SVM Ratnagiri. I am here to tell you the thoughts why we prefer SVM for Priyansh. So first of all, being a lawyer, I knew very well that along with the education, your overall personality development is also very important nowadays. So when we visited, we first heard about SVM, we visited the school, we visited the staff, we actually talked with the principal, teachers, and we also visited the overall infrastructure of the school. and thereafter we believed that this was the school we were actually searching for. And now, even after seeing those online classes, um, we see how teachers react with the students. It is very joyful. We are very happy and feel very much content and joyful about the Priyansh future in the hands of our SBM. So at the end, I want to say thank you, SBM.